On what date did British Prime Minister Clement Attlee announce the end of British rule in India? A. 1st January 1947. B. 20th February 1947. C. 3rd June 1947. D. 15th August 1947. Choose the correct answer. Answer B. 20th February 1947. What was the main demand of the Muslim League immediately following Attlee's announcement? A. Full independence. B. A new constitution. C. Partition of the country. D. Establishment of a republic. Choose the correct answer. Answer C. Partition of the country. Which plan did Lord Mountbatten propose on 3rd June 1947? A. Cripps Mission. B. 1947 General Election Plan. C. Mountbatten Plan. D. Cabinet Mission Plan. Choose the correct answer. Answer C. Mountbatten Plan. When did India officially become an independent and sovereign state according to the Indian Independence Act? A. 3rd June 1947. B. 15th August 1947. C. 20th February 1947. D. 1st July 1947. Choose the correct answer. Answer E. 15th August 1947. What did the Indian Independence Act provide regarding the creation of sovereign states? A. Only India was created. B. Creation of India and Canada. C. Creation of India and Pakistan. D. Only Pakistan was created. Choose the correct answer. Answer C. Creation of India and Pakistan. What office was abolished by the Indian Independence Act of 1947? A. Prime Minister. B. Secretary of State for India. C. Governor General of India. D. President. Choose the correct answer. Answer B. Secretary of State for India. What right was transferred to the Governor General of the new dominions? A. Right to create new states. B. Right to veto bills. C. Right to appoint ambassadors. D. Right to organize elections. Choose the correct answer. Answer B. Right to veto bills. Which act regulated the governance of the new dominions until new constitutions were framed? A. Government of India Act of 1919. B. Government of India Act of 1935. C. Indian Independence Act. D. Cripps Mission Plan. Choose the correct answer. Answer B. Government of India Act of 1935. What did the Indian Independence Act say about the Indian princely states? A. They were to be dissolved. B. They could join either dominion or remain independent. C. They had to join India. D. They could join any country. Choose the correct answer. Answer B. They could join either dominion or remain independent. Who became the first Governor General of independent India? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. Lord Mountbatten. C. Rajgopalachari. D. Gandhi. Choose the correct answer. Answer B. Lord Mountbatten. What title was dropped from the royal titles of the King of England by the Indian Independence Act? A. King of Great Britain. B. King of Scotland. C. Emperor of India. D. King of Ireland. Choose the correct answer. Answer C. Emperor of India. What was the role of the Governor General according to the Indian Independence Act? A. Act independently of the Council of Ministers. B. Head of the state with constitutional powers. C. Sole authority for creating laws. D. Elected by the people. Choose the correct answer. Answer B. Head of the state with constitutional powers. What happened to the members of the civil services appointed before 15th August 1947? A. They lost all benefits. B. They continued to enjoy all benefits. C. They had to resign. D. They were replaced by new appointees. Choose the correct answer. Answer B. They continued to enjoy all benefits. Who served as the Vice President of the Council in the interim government of 1946? A. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. B. Jawaharlal Nehru. C. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. D. Liaquat Ali Khan. Choose the correct answer. Answer B. Jawaharlal Nehru. What portfolio did Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel hold in the interim government? A. Finance. B. Home, Information and Broadcasting. C. Defense. D. External Affairs. Choose the correct answer. Answer B. Home, Information and Broadcasting. Which member was responsible for food and agriculture? A. Dr. John Mathai. B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. C. Jagjeevan Ram. D. C.H. Bhabha. Choose the correct answer. Answer B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Who held the portfolio of defense in the interim government? A. Sardar Baldev Singh. B. Jawaharlal Nehru. C. Abdur Rab Nishtar. D. Asaf Ali. Choose the correct answer. Answer A. Sardar Baldev Singh. What position did Liaquat Ali Khan hold in the interim government? A. Finance. B. Railways and Transport. C. Labor. D. Health. Choose the correct answer. Answer A. Finance. Which member was responsible for railways and transport? A. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. B. Dr. John Mathai. C. Jagjeevan Ram. D. I.I. Chundrigar. Choose the correct answer. Answer B. Dr. John Mathai. Who was the Prime Minister of Free India in 1947? A. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. B. Jawaharlal Nehru. C. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. D. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Choose the correct answer. Answer B. Jawaharlal Nehru. Which portfolio did Maulana Abul Kalam Azad hold in the first cabinet of Free India? A. Education. B. Home. C. Finance. D. Health. Choose the correct answer. Answer A. Education. Who served as the finance minister in the first cabinet of Free India? A. R. K. Shanmugam Chetai. B. Dr. B. R. Ambedkar. C. Jagjeevan Ram. D. C. H. Bhabha. Choose the correct answer. Answer A. R. K. Shanmugam Chetai. What role did Dr. B. R. Ambedkar hold in the first cabinet of Free India? A. Minister of Health. B. Minister of Law. C. Minister of Commerce. D. Minister of Defense. Choose the correct answer. Answer B. Minister of Law. Which member was responsible for communication in the first cabinet? A. Rafi Ahmad Kidwai. B. Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee. C. Jawaharlal Nehru. D. Jagjeevan Ram. Choose the correct answer. Answer A. Rafi Ahmad Kidwai. Who was the Minister for Works, Mines and Power in the first cabinet of Free India? A. V. N. Gadgil. B. C. H. Bhabha. C. Dr. John Mathai. D. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Choose the correct answer. Answer A. V. N. Gadgil. What portfolio did Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel hold in the first cabinet of Free India? A. Defense. B. External Affairs. C. Home, Information and Broadcasting. D. Finance. Choose the correct answer. Answer C. Home, Information and Broadcasting. Who was responsible for industries and supplies in the first cabinet of Free India? A. Dr. John Mathai. B. Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee. C. R. K. Shanmugam Chetai. D. Jagjeevan Ram. Choose the correct answer. Answer B. Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee.